Hello everyone, I am Pushkal. I am building PaperPod. So every year, millions of students they prepare for competitive exams like JEE, NEET. They spend countless hours creating the notes, highlighting the textbooks, and collecting the coaching materials. But when the exam season arrives, the revision becomes the biggest challenge, the biggest bottleneck for these students. Students don't lack the content; they have all the notes, they have all the previous year questions, the DPP, the sheets from the coaching material that they go through, but they lack time to revise it effectively. So basically, a typical student accumulates hundreds or thousands of pages of study materials, yet most of this knowledge remains trapped inside the PDF notebook and the folders. Revision only happens when a student sits down and reads everything all together. So meanwhile, commuting, walking, exercising, eating, and the countless other hours becomes lost learning opportunities. That's why this is the vision for this product, PaperPod. PaperPod is an AI-powered revision companion that transforms the study materials in the form of PDF, text, notebook, document, any sort of a digital format when you have that study material into an interactive podcast style lessons. Instead of just rereading the same chapter again and again, students can simply listen and learn through the podcast, through the chapter wise format. Let's say you are studying inorganic chemistry, the P block. You can have a different chapters and you can revisit them in a podcast sort of a format, in a question answer, interactive, much engaging, much interesting format. So let me show you basically how it works. Let's upload any document. I have some notes from Stanford University. It's a snippet of a notes, not exactly the entire notes. Let's say we generate a podcast for a 1 or 2 page of a PDF. So it will take around 1 minute to generate the podcast for this PDF. So this is a podcast. So a student will simply come to this platform, upload a coaching note, NCRT module that's preferably used in India, or a revision sheet. PaperPod will simply analyze the content and automatically converts it into a natural conversation between the two AI teachers.
Welcome to Data Insights. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we're diving into the world of machine learning to predict house prices in Portland based on living area.
We have a data set that's a list of these training
So basically,
examples.
you can jump into any section.
Okay,
We want to learn a function called a hypothesis.
all right,
This is a
got it.
timestamp based,
Uh-huh.
and you can study this way, and it will analyze the content automatically and convert it into a natural conversation between the two AI teachers. So instead of just listening to a robotic text to speech voice, which is generally being developed by many other TTS systems, students get a conversational explanation here in the case of PaperPod, which is designed specifically for better understanding and the retentions. So that's the key takeaway here is you can ask the real-time question and answers. This is a document only mode where the context will come only from the document that you uploaded. This is a document plus web mode where the context will come from the web. Let's say the document that I have uploaded, it's more about linear regression. So let's say you ask any question, what is linear regression from a document mode, and it will simply generate the information which is there in the document. You can simply play the audio.
The document doesn't mention linear regression explicitly, but it does talk about the concept of regression problems. From the context, we can infer that regression problems involve.
You can pause it, you can restart it from anywhere. In the document web mode, when you simply ask the same question, it will give you the web links relevant to the questions, linear regressions. Let's say the Wikipedia page, it will give you some sort of a Geeks for Geeks page. So this way the students can get a better insight about what they are just learning. So learning isn't just listening, students also have a doubts. So that's why PaperPod includes the real-time question answer AI tutoring. You can ask any sort of the questions or the any relevant to the document, and it will search the internet as well. So instantly using the uploaded study materials like the web search knowledge. So for the deeper conceptual understanding and the current information, this is very helpful, especially students preparing for the competitive examinations. So basically, to summarize, PaperPod is building the Spotify for exam preparation, transforming the static notes into interactive AI teachers that helps students revise anytime, anywhere by doing multitasking, by walking, and while traveling anywhere. That's it. Thank you.